It ought to be dawning on us that we're dealing with something new and different and profound now. You know, biodiversity is important because it's one of the key ingredients of evolution. Every species on Earth has to evolve, and if they're not evolving, they're in the process of becoming extinct. The biodiversity that we depend on is the crop diversity. More than anything else, more than any other natural resource, it's the diversity of our food crops that keeps us going. It's a question of whether we're going to have dinner on the table, who's going to have it, how much is going to be there, and whether it's going to be there. As consumers, we don't see that. That's all behind the curtains. Crop diversity is threatened. There is no such thing as a best variety. Seed banks are endangered. All these things are precious. What are we doing if we're not conserving that foundation of our own civilization?
I've been fascinated with crop diversity for about 35 years now.
In its rawest form, what I'm trying to do is to conserve the future of our food supply.
We need to have a facility that can really offer protection.
Regular buildings are vulnerable. It wasn't going to work unless the design was simple, unless it functioned really simple, almost by itself. The seeds that are in there represent the history of agriculture, but it's also the future. Our task is to keep it going. And this is really the central challenge that humanity faces. It's not going to get better by ignoring it. We don't exist as a species on Earth ourselves if we don't have this biological foundation of agriculture.